Outlier AI is a platform scale AI that pays remote freelancers to train generative AI models by writing prompts, evaluating responses, and coding. Users can earn by registering, passing assessments, and performing tasks in fields like STEM or linguistics, with a pay often around 15 to $20 per hour. Okay, so all you gotta do is just sign in or log in, use your account, right? Open a new window and use Google. In my case, Outlier is not available in my country, but if it is available in your country, you can just go ahead and start the signing process, right? So yeah, sign up and create a profile and complete that 30 to 90 minutes onboarding, which include identity verification and skills assessments or tests to match you with projects. Once accepted, you will complete training models followed by AI training tasks such as prompt writing, response evaluation, coding, solving basically or validating coding problems. Outlier offers remote, flexible part-time opportunities with weekly, reliable payment. So, the key tips for success: identify specialized skills. High paid roles often require expertise in STEM, coding, or foreign languages. Be patient with onboarding. The process can take time and task availability can be inconsistent. And follow guidelines. Accurate work ensures continued, higher paying, and more consistent tasks. So, disclaimer: some users suggest a connection to remote tasks, which may require managing separate or migrating accounts. So, consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.